Your SeeSnake camera head is attached to the spring, and inside the spring is a safety cable. The safety cable is the mechanical link that anchors the camera head, spring, and internal components to the pushrod. You never want to put your camera in a pipe if a cable is frayed or broken. If you do, you risk damaging the spring and internal components, and you could lose them in the line. Your system has either one or two safety cables. They're made from aircraft-grade stainless steel and have a very long service life. But they take a lot of abuse, and they will wear over time, so check them regularly. Every day, make sure they're solid. And take a look inside the spring to make sure they're in good condition. When you do see a cable beginning to fray, contact your authorized rigid repair center for replacement. The cables are not expensive, and a technician can swap them out in just a few minutes. So keep an eye on them and get them replaced sooner rather than later. As always, if you want more information on these tools or how to use them, visit their product pages on rigid.com or stop by the SeeSnake support website.